everyone, and Remind here, and big shouts out to Piper for Press and Fresh Laser 1848 for helping with this video, and of course Noble 707, always been a big help. Thank you for making the lab and everything, Noble. Big shouts out to you, and the command is right here. Execute all entities type equals player space squiggly space squiggly space squiggly set block space squiggly 50, and the rest you guys can look at it, you can pause it or whatever. Now the 50 is how high it is, you can change it to whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you liked the video, leave a like if you liked it, and hit that bell to get notified when we have new videos. See you guys next time.